Hi everybody, how are you? Welcome to World of Creativity channel. One day I have found a good product in Amazon account, but I had no idea how to order that product. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to order any item or any product you sell. First of all, let's choose any item. For example, this watch. We will hit that button buy now. Buy now. If you don't have account in Amazon Market, you must sign up. It's really easy. Just type your name, your first and second name, or your full name. It's up to you. And your email. And choose password and repeat your password and repeat your password. Now create your Amazon account. Create your Amazon account. This is step 1. Step 2, your address. You can add more than one address for the same country or for different country or for different country. It's very important to fill up all your information carefully, such as your country, your full name, your mobile number, your bedding area, your city. Add delivery instructions, home or office or both of them. Add address. This is step 2. Step 3, payments option. If you have MasterCard or a credit card or any one of those cards, you can type one of them. Just type the name or the card number. Type the card number and the name of the card and expiration date. Now if you have a code or coupon and you want to use them in order to get discount, for example for this item, I just want you to notice the current price, 160 riyals. We are going to hit that button, add to cart, then proceed to check out. Now I just want you to notice the price before and the price after. The order total is 126.95. We are going to paste the coupon in here. We are going to paste the coupon here and apply. Okay. Just notice the price after order total is 38.08. Thank you very much for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you later.